Hello world, DevilEmox back with another video. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows on an Android device, just for fun. As always, all the links will be in the description box below. So let's begin. First we have to download the Windows 10 ISO. Then we have to place this file in the internal storage of our Android device. Once that is done, we have to navigate to that folder using DevilEmox. For that, use cd command. After that, we have to download a script that will automate this process. Execute the script and sit back. Have patience, it will take some time. Then allocate memory to the machine. Allocate memory according to your system's configuration. I am allocating 4 GB. Then it will give you an IP address. To access Windows, we will be using VNC Viewer. Download it from Play Store. Then set up your VNC server, as I have shown in the video. Once it is done, you will see this type of screen. Let installation end properly. Enjoy Windows on Android. It may be laggy as your system configuration is not proper. Anyways, it is just for fun, so do not take this for guaranteed. That's it for today guys, DevilEmox, signing out, peace out.